Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am finally doing a look for girls who wear glasses. So if you want to know how to go from this to this, which is a very practical and easy look using only affordable products. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So the first thing I'm using is this rose water, and I'm gonna spray this all over my face to freshen up my skin. After that, I'm going to use this Pond's BB cream because it light on the skin and it won't crack up and crease up throughout the day. So yeah, I'm going to dot all over my face, and I'm using this Frostil Unicorn Essence to blend my BB cream smoothly. I just love this Unicorn Essence. So yeah, I'm going to blend this with my beauty blender. Then I'm gonna take Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. When it comes to wearing glasses, I feel highlighting is more important than contouring. And I'm just blending everything out. Whether you like it or not, but eyebrows make a really importance of your face. So eyebrow is very important. So I'm using this Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. For smudge proof eyebrows, I'm using this clear brow gel from Anastasia. Using this MAC Studio Fix Compact. This step is more important because it's very important to shade your foundation and concealer. And I'm taking this kajal and I'm going to do a liner. Yes, not wing liner, just only a liner. And I'm going to smudge it with the help of my finger, just like this. I'm doing the same in my waterline as well. So yeah. And another important thing is to curl my lashes. So I'm going to curl my lashes, and then yes, mascara is everything. So I'm going to put on mascara. You can see the difference without mascara and with the mascara. And then I'm going to use blush, which is from Milani, and I'm going to apply on my cheeks and just around my nose area. The Fenty Beauty highlighter. I'm going to put a highlighter on my cheekbones and my eyebrow bone. And then again I'm going to spray this rose water all over my face to set my foundation and concealer. And I'm going to with my beauty blender, just like this, which gives you a long lasting makeup, waterproof makeup. So yeah, last but not least, lipstick. So this look is so cute, girly, and you're gonna look younger as well. So yeah, that's the final look, guys. So what do you think about this look? I hope you guys like this video. If you do, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Stay beautiful, stay positive, and stay happy. Bye bye, guys. See you.